Hello everyone, welcome to VRR Tutorials. Speaking Practice 1. Conversation between Ravi and Rajesh when they met first time at their college. Hi, my name is Ravi. Hello, I am Rajesh. How are you? I am fine, thank you. How about you? Great. Where are you from? I am from Hyderabad. And you? I am from Vizag. Which course have you selected? I have selected MBA. And you? Mine is the same. Great, we are friends now. Shall we go to the classroom? Yes, of course. Now I play Ravi's role and you have to practice Rajesh's role. Let's start practicing. It's your turn now. Hi, my name is Ravi. How are you? Great. I am from Hyderabad. And you? Which course have you selected? Mine is the same. Shall we go to the classroom? Now I play Rajesh's role. You have to practice Ravi's role. Hello, I'm Rajesh. I am fine, thank you. How about you? Where are you from? I am from Vizag. I have selected MBA. And you? Great, we are friends now. Yes, of course. So practice the same way for 3-4 times until you become perfect. And let's meet in the second session. Thank you. Bye.